I hear some chirping. Oh, time to wake up. Go on, go outside. You guys go outside first. Hello. I'm waking up my birds. Let's see, who can I wake up first? Yeah, I gotta wash these blankets. I hear somebody. Is that you, Summer? I hear Summer. She's talking. Good morning. There's my Java finches. My Kakariki, where is she? Hi, Summer. Good morning. Monty. Good morning. Alrighty. I'm doing this with one hand, so. I just thought I would film some raw footage of me uncovering the birds in the morning. These are my budgies. Good morning, budgies. You have a good sleep? Here's my cockatiels. I gotta clean today, so everything's a mess. Today's cleaning day. And here is, where are they? These are my cockatiels. Willow and Jingles. Hi, babies. You look sleepy. Oh, she's yawning. And the Bourkes. The Bourkes are always up first. The Bourkes are like active in the morning. See, I just gotta move this out of the way. Alrighty, Bourkies. Where are you? It's too little dark in here. Hello, good morning. I love listening to the little critters. Alright, who's next? Here. Ha. There's Starfire. Hi, Starfire. Good morning. My Linnies, where are they? There's Nugget. Oh, you're already eating, eh? You're already eating before I uncover you. Pickles is under the paper there somewhere. And my little canaries, where are they? Hi, there's Song. And Sherbert. Sorry, there we go. Yeah, they're together now. They actually are getting along really good together. I had them separated, but I thought I'm gonna put them together because Sherbert is blind and he was looking lost, and he's so much happier now with someone to keep him company. I always let out my dogs first thing in the morning. Are you ready to come in? All right, gotta eat some breakfast. The other two are still out there doing their business. Alrighty, one more case to uncover in my bird room. I still gotta wake up my bigger birds. There's Galaxy. Hi, Galaxy, good morning. And here's two of my other Bourkes. They're in here because the other Bourkes were fighting with them. And here's my Lorikeet, Dazzle. Hi, Dazzle. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. Can't even see you. Here's my little Lovebird, Pickles. Good morning. You're always awake in the morning, like wide awake, huh? Hi, baby. It's a good morning. You ready for your breakfast? You want to give me a kiss? Alright, so I'm going to open the curtain for more light. It's going to be a rainy day, so it's not so bright outside. Look at it, so like gray outside. Come on, baby girl. Come on, Indy. Are you still investigating all the little critters that were outside last night? He smells all the raccoons and whatever came by last night. His nose just keeps going. Indy, what do you smell? Raccoons? Huh? Raccoons? Yeah? Alright, you can stay a little longer. Indy, what are you barking at? Oh, I actually smell a skunk. Indy, no! Don't make me come out here in my pajamas. Get inside. Oh, did you get sprayed, buddy? Indy, you stink. I think there was a skunk here. I don't think he got sprayed, but I smell it. Come on, get inside. Let me smell you. That's all I need. Oh, jeez, no wonder he was smelling everything. Let me see. Let me smell you. No, you're okay. All right, get in. Oh, that's all I need is a skunk dog. Already happened to me once this year. Get inside, babies. Let's go eat breakfast. Now I'm gonna feed the birdies and let them all out. Hey, babies. Ready? It's getting more lighter out. Hey, Dazzle. Do you want to come out? Will you come out while I make your food and everybody else's food? What are you doing, silly goose? Are you a silly goose? You want to go play for a little while? You play by yourself? Yeah, I let him out by himself because he can be aggressive with other birds. There we go. Isn't it beautiful? Look at you. He's so pretty. It's time to wake up my bigger birds. Still a little bit dark here in my living room. But this is my Senegal, Electra. Good morning. Look at those morning stretches. Oh, and a yawn. Yeah, today I actually slept in. I rarely ever sleep in, especially because I have birds. They start making noise. But on rainy days, it's the only day I sleep in because it's still dark in my house. So I've actually slept in and I can't believe it. I'm usually up early today. I don't have to work, so I can sleep in. Hey, there's Marbles. Good morning, Marbles. She's my Moustache Parakeet. You'll see her in a minute when it gets lighter in here. Hey, baby girl. Good morning. Any yawns from you? You hungry? Say, I'm always hungry. All I do is eat, just like mommy. Gotta get some light in here. It's much better. Alright, here's my Rosella. Hey, good morning. Oops, I covered myself with a blanket. Yeah, where are you? Hello. Good morning. You awake yet? Huh, you hungry? This is Passion. Passion. You're just thinking, huh? You're just waking up? And here's Malibu. Malibu is my superb parrot. Oh, good morning. Somebody's awake. Are you ready for breakfast? Huh? Come here. There we go. Good morning. I'm gonna make your breakfast and everything, okay? Good morning. Alright, the last bird that I'm going to wake up is Kingsley, my king parrot. Where did Kingsley go? Oh, good morning, Kingsley. You're awake before Mommy woke you up. Hi. Good morning. You want to go up there for a little while? Got to make your breakfast, okay? Kingsley. Good morning. Good morning, Kingsley. Give me a kiss. Kingsley, what did chicken say? Good boy. Good morning, Marbles. Good morning. Here, bunnies. There we go. Gotta clean your cage today too, huh? Num nums. Time for breakfast. I'm more awake now. I'm just gonna put some food up there and let them all out so they can have a buffet. And sometimes I put food in the individual cages because they fight over the food, or I'll put a couple of extra bowls so that they can share. I got their bath water there and their food. And out they come. Come on guys, here's my Bourkes. Jingles. Hey! Come on Willow, why are you hiding in the corner? Come on. Come on. You're chicken. You don't want to come out yet? Okay, I'll get Monty then. Come on, boss bird. Hi, my boss bird. What a good boy. There he goes. Oh, it's going to be chaos in here now. They all start flying all over the place because they're so excited. Sorry, I have my camera in my hand, not on a tripod, so sorry that it's all crooked, but I just wanted to give you some, like, I guess you can call it raw footage. Alright guys, gotta let everybody else out. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. There we go. Come on, Koolaide. Galaxy. Come on, let's go. Come on, nice thing. Hi, buddy. Look how beautiful he's getting. He's almost the adult color now. He's still got baby colors. And he almost looks like his girlfriend. There, go there. Hi, Nightshade. Come on. Here. Oh, there they go. Summer? Do you want out? Summer! Come on. Sometimes she just flies out on her own. Oh, she stepped. Oh, there she goes. Alrighty. Whee! She usually goes right into the bath, or right into the food. So let's see what she does. Hi, Monty. Are you taking care of everybody? Putting everybody in line? Yeah? He's a good boy. So handsome. Oh, there he goes. Oh. He went to cause some chaos. You're first at the buffet. Hey, Summer. Look at her little feet. Look at her feet. She's gonna knock it all on the floor. Alright, so now I'm going to give my bigger birds their breakfast, and what I do is I feed them in their cage because they're very messy. They throw it all on the floor. Kingsley, breakfast? Num nums. You eat in there, okay? And you come out later? Go eat your breakfast. Good boy. He takes the snap pea first. Malibu. Here we go, baby. There we go. Go get it. Yeah. There we go. Yummies. Marbles, you hungry? Oh, Marbles is the messiest bird ever. Alright, you just make a mess. She just throws everything on the floor if she doesn't like it. There you go, girl. Yum yums. Electra, you want your breakfast? You want your breakfast? There we go, girl. There we go. They all like their snap peas. Eat those first. Good girl. Now, Passion is very difficult to feed. He actually attacks me a lot. No, no, no. You don't attack me, okay? Yeah, you laughing at me? Oh, you've been good today. Okay. What, sweetie? What? You been good boy? You didn't bite me today. You want to go outside? No, we can't go outside. He's saying want to go outside. We can't go outside. It's winter time. It's winter time. Hi, Passion. Hi, Passion. And now they're going to sit here with me in the kitchen while I eat my breakfast. There goes Kingsley. Kingsley, where are you going? Kingsley? What? What are you doing? You don't want to sit beside Mommy? That's okay. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Oh, it got nice and sunny out too. Malibu, you want a treat? Wave. Malibu, wave. You want a treat? Wave. Come on. Wave. You don't want a treat? Look. Wave. That a boy. That's a good wave. Kingsley, would you like a treat? Kingsley. Want a treat? Wave. Oh, good boy. I know you want to eat his, don't you? Hi, Marbles. Do you want a treat? Turn around. You want a treat? Wave, wave. No biting. Wave. Come on, wave. You look. Wave. Wave. Come on. Wave. Malibu. Spin. Yes. Very good. Very, very good. So basically I hang out with the birds in the morning and I train them a little bit and just let them hang out while I do my chores and get ready for the day myself. Malibu, hi. There's Marbles. Marbles. Hi, Marbles. Where'd Kingsley go? Hi, Kingsley. What are you doing? Kingsley just flies wherever he wants to, right? Are you going to fly to Mommy? Come on. Come on. I got a treat in my hand. Come. Come. Atta boy. What a good boy. You don't get into trouble, okay? Marbles. Marbles. Want a treat? Do you want a treat? Spin. Good girl. Wave. What? Wave. Ah, good. There we go. Hello. Wave. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hi, Passion. Okay, Passion just flew around my house like a top speed, round and round and round. He's like an excellent flyer. Hey, buddy? You can fly? What are you doing, Passion? Are you looking handsome? Are you looking handsome? What a good boy. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. Electra, you being a good girl? Yeah, you being a good girl? Did you eat your breakfast? Where are you going? Going back in. Eat more breakfast. Oh, did you wave? That's so cute. I don't have a treat with me though. Still sleepy. Are you still sleepy? Yeah, you're gonna wake up now.